I remember the first time I got dropped. I cried all night, couldn't sleep. Every song on the radio reminded me of him. But then my mom's made me some mac and cheese. I knew it was gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vonnie G's here and I am so happy to be back making videos. I feel like I say that a lot, but I don't know, this time it just feels different. As you guys may have noticed, the content on my channel is changing slowly but surely. I have a new series that I wanted to bring to my channel, which is going to be called Living Single. So if you guys are familiar with the 90s sitcom Living Single, that's kind of where I got the idea from. Lately I've been watching that show a whole lot and I was just really intrigued by the women on that show. I watched it a lot when I was younger, but now watching it as a young adult, like the women in that show, they just inspire me so much. If you're familiar with that show, you know that all those women were like really hardworking and they were funny and they were hilarious and they just were like kind of like finding their way. I wanted to basically bring more lifestyle content, more vlogs, more content that's relatable and kind of shows who I am as a person in my life and something that you guys can relate to. And I thought it would be cute since I'm a young woman, I'm single, I ain't married to nobody, and I'm just living my life and I want to base it around lifestyle content. This first video is just kind of me introducing the series to you guys, so you can expect a lot of videos. So anytime you see like hashtag living single on a video, you know that it's going to be either a vlog, some type of lifestyle centered content, anything that can help you in your life or anything that kind of relates to like growing up and kind of finding yourself and content centered around that. I personally like watching videos like that. I love seeing vlogs, cool vlogs be put together. I love seeing people's life. I love seeing just the everyday stuff, and personally I enjoy making that kind of content. Even when I did my pamper day routine, I feel like that's more like a personal kind of video, and I kind of let you guys into like how I like kind of take care of myself and treat myself and stuff like that. So I want to create more content that's like that on my channel, but I'm really striving towards a goal. I was going to do a whole separate update video, but I guess I can kind of update you guys here. I am striving towards a really big goal, which is to reach, I'm not going to say the number, but to reach a certain amount of subscribers by the time the summer hits. I really would love to become a full-time content creator. That's kind of on me to actually create the content and not leave my channel for months and months and months at a time, but that is really my goal. I made an uploading schedule and I probably won't announce the uploading schedule until I kind of get my feet a little wetter and maybe get my legs a little wet and push out more content. It makes me so happy when I look in the comments and I see that you guys really like the video that I make, or you notice that I've, you know, improved on editing, or maybe I've changed something up with my video, or if I've done something that you really like, or you like the specific kind of video I made, or if you like the video but you suggest another type of video that I made. A lot of people ask for skincare routine. I definitely will do a video surrounding like skincare and stuff like that. I want to do so much more like self-care videos. I love those kind of videos. Like that's my favorite type of video to watch on YouTube. Like anything surrounding self-care, pampering, self-help, building yourself, confidence. Those type of videos really inspire me. But I'm 23 now and I'm just really, I don't know, I've just grown a lot, and I've kind of grown out of the content that I was making before, and I'm just ready for a change, and I'm really ready to be consistent. And actions speak louder than words, so I can say I want to be consistent all day, but it's going to be up to me to make the content. I hope that you guys will support me no matter what kind of content that I make, but I'm going to make sure whatever it is, it's going to be great quality. And when you watch a video of mine, you're going to know that I put time and effort and care into my videos.